Hi there, and welcome to this lesson on ChinesePod.
Yo!
What?
No, I'm thinking about like our presence, our existence.
Oh, you mean yo.
Yeah, that's right. So actually for today, we're going to talk about the word yo. And again, that's not in fourth tone, that's in third tone. Yo, which literally means to have.
So you've learned before that yo means to have, but it can also be used to say that something exists. It can also be used to say there is or there are. And when you're using the word yo, it doesn't matter whether the subject is singular or plural. It's always going to be yo. So for example, you could say 桌子上有一本书. There is a book on the table. And in English, we would say there is a book on the table, and we put the location, which is the table, at the very end. But in Chinese, we actually put it at the very beginning. So 桌子上 on the table, 有 there is 一本书. Now, if you want to say that there are two kittens or two little cats under the chair, you would say 椅子下面 under the chair 有 there are 两只小猫 two kittens or two little cats. If you want to say that there is one store in the hospital, you would say 医院里 in the hospital 有 there is 一个商店 one store.
So what if you want to say there is not or there are not instead of there is or there are? Just add the word 没 in front of 有 so that it becomes 没有. That's second tone followed by the third tone. So 没有. And to use the sentences that Megan already used, we're going to turn all those into the negative one. And this time you won't need the word counters. So there aren't any books on the table. 桌子上没有书. 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 Or there aren't any kittens or little cats under the chair. 椅子下面没有小猫. 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 And last but not least, there aren't any stores in the hospital. 医院里面没有商店. 医院里面没有商店. 医院里面没有商店.
So 没有 can also be used to mean no. So it's a really versatile word. So let's try it a few more times just to make sure we have it down. 没有. 没 is second tone. 有 is third tone. 没有.
Anything else, Megan?
没有.
That's the end of our lesson then.
So thank you so much for watching this lesson of ChinesePod, and we'll see you next time.
Later. Yo.